Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 60, create layout using Laravel Blade, templating HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is my channel website number and channel. Anytime contact is 24/7. I am always available. Call and WhatsApp 919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is available. This is my inside this available this htdoc directory inside this project, and this project is already run localhost Laravel_12, and this is a localhost PSP my admin. Inside this is available. Let's click this user table, and this database inside this click this user table, and this is a login. Let's copy this and click this login and paste here. Password is a 123456 and click this login. Successfully login, and this is a layout implementation. First of all, this is a dashboard, admin dashboard file is open. This is a resource view admin, and this is a dashboard. Successfully this is a dashboard file is available, all good. This is a working fine. Let's step by step implementation. This is a header, footer and all step by step all implementation. This is a style, CSS all, and this is a layout available. This is a layout inside this Blade PSP available, and this file name is a sense. This is a file name is a sense. This is a name is it is new file name is a implementation. This is a backend file. This is the front-end file, and next is a backend file. Let's new file is a backend blade PSP. This is successfully backend.php and successfully create. This is a backend file is a create. Let's spelling check this backend. My spelling mistake not even. This is a backend. Okay, backend developer. This is a successfully, this spelling is a working good. This spelling is a successfully created. This is a backend. Inside this implementation, less implementation. Inside this implementation, this is a dashboard file. Let's first of all this backend inside this implementation. This is a all name. This is a successfully, this is a all name is a implementation. This is a body. This is a cut, this cut and paste here, successfully paste, and this is a save file, and I refresh this page. Inside this is a akal is the implementation. This is a not a correct way, all good. This is a good working. Next is a implementation. This is a sidebar. This is a file layout. Inside this new file is a implementation. Sidebar blade.php. Successfully side blade PSP, and this is a successfully implementation. This is a side blade PSP, and this sidebar inside this same here copy cut, and this sidebar inside this paste here, all good. And this is a sidebar is a remove 100%, all good. This is a working fine. Sidebar is a remove, all successfully. Next is a navigation bar. This is a sidebar, navigation bar is available. This is a inside this table, and this is a different to tem is a alag. This is a different, and this is a new is a implementation. This is a implementation extra new file is a content file. Less content blade PSP implementation. Otherwise this is the same here, and this is a next is a this name is a footer. Less footer is a create. Less new file create footer blade PSP. Successfully create footer blade PSP. Same here cut and paste here, working fine, all good. Same here working fine. Next is same here inside this name, this cut, and this is a sidebar inside this implementation. Sidebar inside this working fine. This sidebar inside this working good, and this is only simple way as it is a working. Let's refresh this page, and this is as it is a working form, and table list is only show. And this is a step by step include backend. Inside this is a including, otherwise this is a footer is already include new file. This footer, inside this footer is open this footer, and this is the tag is a cut, and inside this paste here, this body tag is a start, and this paste here, this is the body tag, and this is the inside this include. Let's include, first of all this is a yield, first of all this is a sidebar, say sidebar is a include, otherwise not a working. Let's include, same here, inside this is a file is open, let's admin auth inside this is include, this same name is a copy, and this include is a include, and this is a layout inside this include sidebar, let's sidebar successfully dot layouts successfully, this is a layouts inside this sidebar including. Next is the same name copy and paste here. Next is a, as it is a working fine, this next is a footer underscore footer, this is a footer is a file is a include, and this is a yield is a including, yield content is a including, this is a yield content, so this content is a including this content, all good. Let's refresh this page is a refresh, working fine as it is a good. Let's inside this is a file, is successfully, this 3 dot is a include, inside this include, and this is a content is a this content, this fully content is a implementation, and this is a sidebar, this sidebar is a first content is a inside this sidebar successfully all content, and this is a all tag is a top bar, and this means header, all good. Let's next is a inside this file is a include, this is a backend file, extend backend file is a include, extend layouts dot, this is a backend file is a include, all good. This is a layouts backend. Next is a section content, this is the content name is already include, this is a content, copy content, and this paste here, and this is a section content is a end section content, save file. Let's refresh this page, 100% is a working fine, this is a all good. Please step by step write down, all good. This is a layout content is a 100% is a good. And any doubt, so please contact this my official website error solution code. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Anytime please contact. Inside this list of project is available. Please, this is available my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Please step by step write down. This is a content is a successfully implementation. And this is any issue, so please contact this my number is available WhatsApp. This is all good. Sidebar, and this is 100% is working. Let's click this logout, again this login, and click the super admin, and password is 123456, and this login to 100% is working fine. Super admin is working fine. This is a role wise. Super admin is a role is available 2 number. Less 1 number is a admin role. This logout, and this admin role is a login. This admin role is a 1. So this is a admin copy, and password is a different password. Password is 1234567889. And this different password, and 100% is working good. This is a admin login, all good. This is all successfully working fine, this step by step. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.